na wakotwi sebe bluebird slippers ya meka yi wakotwi na wahata na uti anye na obi ko hu na okofa asem aba saada no jam e ba ye no ntumi nkobi ebi american yakofa senior du don kono ma omo bo wo concert house why you ready say obeko demonstration ni t-shirt ni nti so what you say anya say ntumi nko you go to join a demonstration just to get a t-shirt so you can wear to jams. Yes, what the awa bonwo into won to me nko SSNB yo fine. Se me to me nko SSNB dia e dia na metumi nsa no dwuma. Abroni ama na baptismal name say TVET. Enti wuti ewu no wo de mensua de pi. Kona kosua nsa no dwuma. President asoma ne vice. Kona koye hu adwuma. Vice akoye na adwuma. And they are launch it. TVET e free wo Ghana. Why you huti bonko so te ho school a wonko suansa no dwuma wonsua e na tramo no e na wote se be goltana no ho na wia na wo we o wia aso na ekomde wa o si aban na aye na wanya adwuma o school fees so ye dem a wo kwabra ni kodi wo papa no wo ma me pe wi o mo wura o ba wura mu ma wo no kwabra ni kodi ye nti ene no wadwuma a wo wa ne se kodi party achi party be na abedi na achi NPP de kombedo NPP de obedi na chi se obedi NPP achi so de bedi de kombedo and I'm telling you now man you adwene kura cause ekufu ado no se be wonu sika no kura no wo mabi nko party house party for kam da bia NPP obe join se obe join NPP dia pesca dia forget so open development for Ghana dia NPP is your party but so open the other build we food dia and the NCNC for no ho mo amuni mo dada NCNC ye ko secondary school na sa ansem ne ka so kinsi ya be ye die NC just say these people they have no technical know-how of running a country na no edin wo constituency a na ye pega na no abe leader NCNC no contribution no chop no contribution no chop inti no we the gari kakraba na we the esichiraba na we the milu aba obi ma me be che ne nkate na ye tu agum na. So if you think you are joining NPP for money, I'm sorry. Any akako join you donko because NPP don't make commando. Especially say one sign more tie. One shed the need degree bia sa to say ship dealer for. One shed down bon one baby as I then you forget who be ye da will be a meow. But do to me go school kakra now polish kakra. Eh be umbe to me hu baby na me a monfa one she baby. But NDC dear senior with tibiara wo dear branessa. Ye betu mi aye wuye NDC said ya wuti biara wo de ebrane sa ye betu mi aye ni ye ede ne de ma ye be ma wa dwen bone aye de say o man omo be ma sabe attitude bone aye di wie sika wa adwumam party aye mpa adwuma ensa no a enye adwuma no den so da yes ye bedidi party nti party nti ye bedi di ofui kopa adwuma ye mon kopa adwuma ye because me ba ho ye the record ne ba o mama boni enum ne de mo wo ho me se me be sheda ye enum pa mo de mo nto mo bo asese say no my music is coming back party aboni enko de say ye trim ko school was me enko adentia party for say ne ye mfe jankoto Kaneshi market am paso de jabe kwa akoto ho na ni yura free say be Kaneshi market wono NDC Foot didi ho NPP Foot didi ho. You see how they think their whole mantra ne say hoshia ye beka so aban ba ye security ye gigja na ye market e she aban ne ho be ye tan enti ye nkoye na aban ne ho nye tan. Augustus my steady me pacho yeah I mean you me too much my steady. No serious. But please, people, seriously, let's just look at how these people, they think and orchestrate them stuff. The fact say, Ekufuado are buying who be your time. Now, who told you says Ekufuado are buying who your time automatically gives power to Mahama and NDC? Because 2016, 17 now to 2020, you people did worse. More kind nepotism and there can dia maybe no cause so started dia ba maka kire mo se me these days no me ko hwiahwia na mu so mo be start propaganda ne pe na ma betra na ma wo me wi na ma ko na ma ko siesie me party dia maybe no say ya Omo de ba ya men twen na sabe ya abo abia samwa no ma twentwen ya be hye space. E de aba be me agenda and announcement there bi ye ba ye po ne ya bom. Na me de ni na so be kire mo wa. Alex under Maestro hold so ho here. Now President Akufo-Addo, His Excellency Michiao, Adudi Michiao, Wama party Bokafo no Yegusua Yegu omanimu asen kakra. Na free education no si de yesrew. They say no Ghana fo ni na ka kire yen say maye ntie dia NDC for ka no. Daddy say okaya okọ ye call. And I still remember these things. I remember Brother Eric Odoy, I remember was in the same a cappella group with him when he used to go to my friend is saying ITC say EMT say then they na work on technical school do kaneshi side ho na omo sometimes he just a test near the idea you got to buy now what they are call now what kwa was here go to school fees. Ay Ghana na nde nyankopon adawroma yandwene ye ne ayenimu buku nko ahu there be Addo Premai, Addo Showboy, Addo the best president, Addo nobody, Addo only that day, Addo one wa, Addo nobody defeat you. Addo God is your savior, God is your help. Addo God is your baba. I swear, by the end of your